Hi there, it's Denise, and today we're going to make a cheeky monkey bookmark. So to do this we're going to be thinking about different shapes. First of all, you're going to need some A4 paper, some pens, your glue stick and scissors. You also need some cardboard. Now I've run out of cardboard, so I'm going to use some pizza box. So it means that we're recycling, and it means we don't have to buy things as well, but this is pretty good. It's nice and thin, so this will work well for it. So first of all, we're going to do our shapes. So first we need a large circle. That's not bad. And we need 2 small circles. Now next we're going to do an arch. An arch is like that, and straight at the bottom. So we're going to do an arch. Like that, okay, and the next one we're going to do is an oval. So we'll do the oval. It's a bit like an egg shape. Yeah. Now we need 2 rectangles, sort of long skinny rectangles. So I'm going to start them here. So just, it doesn't matter if your lines aren't too straight. Mine aren't. Okay, and another one here. And now I need 2 more circles down here, and I'm going to make these ones a little bit bigger than that, but not as big as that. Okay, so they're going to go 1 and 2. So once I've got this, I need to give it a wee bit more strength. So this is where the cardboard comes in, and what we're going to do is we're going to stick it onto the cardboard, and then we would colour it in. So here's one I've got ready. So remember that it's easier to colour things in when it's like this before you cut it out, because once you cut this out and they're really quite small and fiddly, it'll be harder. So colour it all in, any colours you want. Now this is a cheeky monkey, but I'll show you something at the end, so you might want to maybe do different colours. But you could have a monkey of any colour. You could have a rainbow monkey. See, there's lots of lovely rainbows out there as well, so you can have a monkey any colour you want. It's your cheeky monkey. Okay, so once you've got this done, you've coloured it all in, you're going to cut it all out. So here's the shapes we're ending up with. So we've got our circle, our oval, our arch, our 2 rectangles, and we've got 2 slightly bigger circles and 2 smaller circles. So that's all cut out. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to fold it in half. Okay, just like that. Then the next thing, and I've used this bit of plastic because I don't want to get any of the glue on to the tablecloth or onto the table if you're working on a table. So make sure that you put something down. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this arch on here. So I'll put a bit of glue there. Oops. A wee bit of glue. There we are. And that's going to go on there. It looks like that. And the next part is this part here. And that's going to go on there. Okay, just see it as we're going. Right, doesn't look like a monkey yet, does it? Yeah. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue up here and stick on 1 ear, 2 ears. I think we'll probably be able to make the ears a little better, but that's how it's looking so far. So far so good. The next thing is I'm going to glue this on first, so I just want a wee bit of glue at the end here. Oops, folded it up. And I'm going to actually stick this to the back, but I'll get both of them ready. Get both of them ready first. Okay. So I'm just going to lie him on his wee face, and I'm going to stick on these. 1 and 2. yours will be much more colourful than mine. So this is him so far. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is he needs a face. So I'm going to give him 2 nostrils, and I think I'll give him a nice big cheeky smile. And I think actually, I'm not sure if he looks like a monkey or if he looks like a pig. I'm not sure. But it does show because I've got something else here, and if you do this shape, and that's a giraffe. I think it looks like a giraffe. Yeah. Or now this was supposed to be a pig, and I think it looks like a dog. But the good thing is you can experiment with the different shapes like this. And then once you've got that ready, now hold on a minute. And it means whenever you are having a read, this is one of my favourite books, and it's one I'm going to be reading in another video. And once you're having a wee read through your book, and maybe you're stopping reading, what you do with your cheeky monkey is pop him in the book and he keeps your place. Okay? So this is, I think it's going to be my cheeky pig. It's a little cheeky pig because he definitely looks more like a pig. So bye bye to the pig. Please make your own. Now there's points for this, remember. So if you want to comment on my cheeky pig, that will get you 20 points. If you make a cheeky pig or a cheeky giraffe or a cheeky monkey, something that actually looks like a monkey, which would be good, you get 50 points. So let's see those pictures. Let's see those pigs. Okay? Bye.